Meanwhile, 400-meter hurdler Ricardo Cunningham is the latest athlete to leave the island for the World Championships in London. The 36-year-old, who finished third at the National Championships, missed several planned races in Europe as well as the team's training camp in Birmingham because of delays in getting a visa. But he departed the island Wednesday afternoon. Sports Minister Olivia Babs-Grange also confirmed that there were issues in getting some athletes the required documentation to travel to the championships.
We have had some problems with our visas being issued by the mission here. There have been some delays, but we are now overcoming those delays. We have also had some additional athletes invited to participate, those who originally were not selected, but they qualified. And so we're happy to say that we're going to have a full contingent